Welcome to offline installation of Trident for Kubernetes. Before we install Trident on Kubernetes, there are a few checks we have to do. Use the kubectl version command to check the Kubernetes version and use the kubectl auth-cani command to check for admin rights. Download the Trident package using the wget command with the appropriate URL, untar and unzip the package. Before we proceed with an offline install, we have to do a few setup. Make sure to create the backend JSON file under the Trident installer/setup directory. Make sure to give the storage driver name, the management lif, data lif, SVM name, username, and password. Pull the Trident image, tag the image, and push the image into the local repository. Pull the etcd image, tag the image, and push the image into the local repository. Now that the setup is complete, we can do a pre-install dry run. Deploy the tridentctl install ---- dry run command to start the pre-install check. The ---- dry run argument tells the installer to inspect the current environment. Now that the dry run is complete, we can start the Trident offline installation. Deploy the tridentctl install command with the option to specify namespace, etcd image, and Trident image. Deploy the tridentctl version command to check the install has completed successfully. To recap, we have examined how to do an offline installation of Trident on Kubernetes. Thank you very much.